Hello and welcome. I'd like to give you a little demonstration of just how good Llama 3 can be on a local machine. Now, I'm in Mac OS and I'm running this on a little tiny Mac Mini. So let's take a look at how this works here. Let's do Python main.py and get going. So this is Otto, and Otto is a machine intelligence. And so I'm going to put my name in here, so it will talk to me. And these are all the models that I have pulled from Ollama. I'm just going to use Llama 3 latest, which is the default. And now we can start talking. So let's start off very simply with hi. Now it takes a little while the first time because it has to load the Llama 3 model. So that's why this is taking a bit. And here it comes back with the response. And now I can ask a question. In transformers, when the weights are updated, are the weights modeling a statistical function or something more complicated like modeling human reasoning, or both? So you see now Otto's responding pretty quickly because the model's already loaded. So it doesn't have to load every time. I've used a keep alive switch in the function so that the model doesn't get taken out of memory every time. All right, so let's see how good the conversation can get from this. Okay, you say it is discovering patterns. How does that differ from modeling reasoning? So one important distinction is that pattern discovery in transformers is typically based on statistical regularities in the data, whereas human reasoning often involves more abstract and higher level concepts. All right, let's dig into this a little bit. But aren't those patterns a model of human reasoning? Things like some. Says you're bringing up some great points. Yes, the patterns that transformers discover in data can be thought of as models or approximations of certain aspects of human reasoning. For example, the pattern of comparing different options or ideas is indeed a fundamental aspect of human decision making and problem solving. In this sense, one could argue that the transformers are modeling certain aspects of human reasoning, etc. Transformers are primarily designed to recognize statistical patterns and relationships within large data sets. So it's waffling back and forth a bit here. Yes, it is. Yes. Mathematical techniques, but the changes model weights approximate any function, not just mathematical functions. I hope you can see this text. I made it rather large because I really don't want to read it all out. Anyway, I wanted to show you that here this little local system is keeping track of this conversation. It's managing the context. It's not getting confused. And it's able to dive deeply into subject matter. And this is all on a little 16 gigabyte M1 Mac Mini. Uh, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope that you will give it a try. Try running Llama 3 locally on your system using Ollama, and use an agent like RAG agent, because if you use RAG agent, it will manage chat history. I don't believe, if you just run Ollama, I don't believe it manages history in the same manner. So you'll be losing some functionality. You'll be losing some intelligence. Anyway, I thank you for joining me, and bye-bye. Oh, please like and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. It really makes me feel good when I see that somebody liked one of my videos.